Yo, we back again, man. December 26th, last video of the year, week 17 Supreme, week 18 just dropped. Today's Thursday right now. I didn't get anything, I didn't want anything, but I'm about to show you what I got last week. We about to just get right into it. Just a quick little review, you know what I'm saying, like we normally do. You did. I don't even need a knife, I guess. Okay, stickers, box logo, and we got this weird one. And then this, no Grinch, but okay, we got the socks, Spyder socks. They did a collaboration with Spyder. I'm just about to get right into it for me. Yeah. Supreme up top with the Spyder. Grinch, got 3 items today. Go perfect with the hat, you feel me? We got it in a size large. Just because I don't want it to shrink or anything, I want to be able to wear it for a while. But yeah, man, you feel me? Size large on that. And then the Zippo, which I'm probably gonna do with B-roll and like show it more in detail. But this junk is nice though. Supreme on the back, Spyder, Supreme right there with the Spyder on it. It's the collaboration with the socks. And yeah, I just wanted another Zippo, I guess. This is the one I use right now, and it's the repeat Supreme gold. But yeah, I'm definitely about to use this one today. So yeah, shout out to y'all. Blessings, happy holidays. Hope all is well. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, clean.images. And yeah, man, we got peace, blessings, bro.